Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize statistical software with RStudio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize statistical software with RStudio, begin by downloading and installing R in RStudio. Visit the R project website and download the latest version of R that corresponds with your operating system. After downloading R, locate the installer file and follow the prompts to install it. Next, go to the RStudio website and download the appropriate version for your system. Once the RStudio installer is downloaded, run the file and complete the installation process. After installing both R and RStudio, open RStudio to get started. Familiarize yourself with the RStudio interface, which consists of four main panels. The top left panel is for writing and editing your scripts. The top right panel displays your environment and history. The bottom left panel is your console, where you will run your R commands. The bottom right panel provides tools for files, plots, packages, and help. To optimize performance, install necessary packages by typing install.packages, package_name, in the console. Common packages to install include dplyr. Load these packages using the library function by typing library, package_name, in your script. Start by importing your dataset using read.csv for CSV files or other relevant functions for different file types. Once your data is loaded, familiarize yourself with its structure using str, summary, and head functions. Cleaning your data is crucial for accurate analysis, so look for missing values and outliers. Use dplyr for data manipulation tasks such as filtering, selecting, and summarizing your data. To improve performance, ensure that large datasets are managed efficiently with the data.table package. Visualize your data using ggplot2, which allows you to create complex plots with simple commands. Always save your scripts regularly to avoid losing your progress. Optimize your workspace by using RStudio projects to keep related files organized. Utilize version control tools such as Git for better collaboration and tracking of changes in your R scripts. Review the RStudio documentation and online resources for best practices and advanced features. Experiment with RStudio's built-in tools for profiling and debugging to identify performance bottlenecks in your code. Finally, keep your packages updated regularly to benefit from the latest features and optimizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.